What's up guys, Nanalo. Today I'm teaching how to play Ngometsi City by Ngometsi Wena Olalelwa Zizidalwa F sharp. My transpose is positive. So my transpose is E flat or D sharp. Guys, anyone of XPS 10, you can get it through partners. And my discount code, guys, will save you 1,300 rand. Delivery is free. This is legit. Guys, I've been working with Roland and in doing this competition for this keyboard. They gave this to me free so that I can do sales for Roland XPS 10. So you can get this XPS 10. I'm working with partners and Roland, and get this keyboard via my discount code. You will save 1,300 and delivery is free. You can also pick one of their stores and just go buy it there and tell them that you have a discount code, then they'll give you. That's it, guys. You can text me if you need any help. Okay, the song is pretty much simple. Please subscribe, like the video, subscribe, like, please, guys. I want to reach more subscribers. Guys, you should have been on 20 or 30. Let's go, guys. The song is pretty much simple. I'm just gonna play for you. Since you know that I'm not F sharp is not my key, you bear with me there and there. Okay, let's go. That's it, guys. Breaking it down. Okay. get the idea, guys. Ninjalo F sharp ukuthi hamba kanjani le ngoma. That's how the song goes, guys. It's simple. Right hand. Okay, see. Sithi bayade. That's it, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Like my video, subscribe to my channel. Wallaps.